How to update your KakaoTalk status message. In this guide, I'll be showing you how to update your KakaoTalk status message. Let's get started. First, open the application on your device. Now, as you are logged in, all you have to do is tap on your profile right here. Tap on it. Now you can see edit profile option right here. Tap on edit profile. You can see enter a status message right here. Simply tap on enter it and enter your message. Once you enter it, tap on OK right here at the top. And that's it. This is how you can update your KakaoTalk status message. Repeat the same process. If you want to edit it again, tap on this pencil icon right here. And you can just edit it again like this. And tap on OK. Now also you can enter a text again and tap on OK. In this way, you can update your KakaoTalk status message. Now tap on done. And that's all there is to it. Hope this video helped you out. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.